Hello traders, welcome to our live trading session video and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Thiru Napan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So let's come on to today's trades over here. As I'm seeing over here, let me just show you what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at the euro dollar daily. This is actually a top to bottom move at the moment on the daily time frame over here. And what I am looking for actually in this trade is looking for first a price pattern recognition to which direction it's going to form its range for today.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
I've had the breakout to the upper stretch, so it is not in correlation with his daily time frame, even though it's pointing towards the down. But today bar might be formed towards the upside. So what do I have? I waited for the first breakout, waited for a retracement with these two bars here. I'm using the stretch principle here, which you can refer to our previous videos on our YouTube channel as well, and you can go to our playlist of all our live trading session videos. And now what I'm doing is, where you can see the blue line is where my entry is, where my red line is where the stop loss, and here is where my target is for the range to take my target off based on the daily time frame over here. Okay, so that's what I do have at the moment in terms of euro dollar. In terms of dollar Swiss, I have a similar picture here. It's bottom to top over here because of a quantification that we have. And over here on the 1 hour time frame, what we are looking at is basically for this low to be taken out, stop loss being here, target for the range. Okay, time is also on our side as well. It's already 2 more hours left to get to 3 p.m. so if it were to do its range, it will go at full velocity and we can trail our stop loss more aggressively, minimizing our realized losses as well. Okay, in terms of cable, which is our usual currency pair that we take our trades on, however, we're not getting the pattern recognition that we're looking for. We did get a breakout here, we didn't get a retracement. This is what we call an opposite stretch. We could have taken this, but then it's not really according to our strategy here where we take on opposite stretch. Sometimes we do, but in this case we didn't. Also, we were not by the test to take this trade as well. Okay, so we'll leave that one as it is. So we're only looking at 2 trades so far, which is the dollar Swiss on the 1 hour and the euro dollar on the 1 hour as well. Okay, I'll keep you guys updated on how this trade goes. I'll pause the video over here and then we'll take it on from there. Okay traders, now as you can see in euro dollar here, the trade has progressed for us, and in terms of that, what we will do is now trail our stop to the low of this bar, which is 11334. So that will be 11333 is what we will trail it to.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
The second thing is dollar Swiss. On the other hand, as you can see, we had a big reversal here, isn't it, traders, over here, right? So we did get stopped out of this trade over here in terms of dollar Swiss. So that's the 2 trades we got. So we will trail this accordingly and we will see how the trades progress for this week. Okay traders, as you can see over here now, the trade is progressing on our side. We have a small loss still at £33. What we can now do, because time is passing by, we can move our target a little bit lower to 70% ATR, okay, 0.7 ATR. So what we will do at this point is that, because it's also a non-correlation trade, so we'll take a look at this ATR here, 61, so 48. So 7, if we do 0.7 ATR, that's 42. So we'll do on the low of this bar, the low being 11318. So 11318 plus 42, that will give us 11360. So what we will do over here, we will move our target to a bit more lower because it's passing by time, and we will do it at 11360. Okay, so we'll do it over here and move it a bit closer. So we'll leave that as it is. Remember, the most important thing is that you've got to keep your mind focused and follow your plan, even though you've taken other losses. So I know in this 1 hour, this was quite a strong reversal and a big loss on an initial stop loss. But don't let that affect your emotions. Keep your mind focused and keep it consistently executing your plan. Okay, that's what I would say, and we will see how this progresses to be as we go along. Okay, traders, you can see now the trade has progressed. In fact, this trade over here, even though it did go in our favor, but it has taken out our stop over here, as you can see. So our trading stop loss was over here, and this is what then stopped us out. So if you take a look at our account history, we've had quite a bit of losses today. So we had one at 150, another one at 185. So not the kind of price pattern that we kind of actually observed or expected, especially with dollar Swiss over here, where we had an entry to go here. Okay, so that's the only thing. Now, other than this, how should you actually take this as a professional trader is always monitor and reflect on your trades. Okay, one thing that we can take away from today is that in terms of correlation to the daily time frame, this was just not in line with that. Okay, that's all. So the only thing you can really do if you choose to, even in your own strategies, is reduce the risk when you take non-correlated trades. But what do I mean by non-correlated trades? You can see over here a daily time frame here. This is a bottom to top move, open equity quite high to the upside, whereas on the dollar Swiss is showing a range towards the downside. Okay, so on times like that, what you can do, because you're getting non-correlated trades, then you can put a lower risk. Okay, that's all you can do. All right, so I will leave you guys with that for this live trading session, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.